Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best tech products so you can buy smarter. In today's video, we're talking about what is arguably the best Anker iPhone charger wireless. The Anker Zolo magnetic wireless charger, Qi 2 certified with 15W of MagSafe compatible power. This is the 2-pack version in sleek black, and it's specifically built for iPhone 16 through iPhone 12 series, as well as AirPods. So, let's dive in. The Anker Zolo comes ready to power up your day with Qi 2 certification, delivering fast, magnetic wireless charging up to 15 watts. This charger stands out because it can charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max to 20% in just 19 minutes. That's the kind of performance that makes a real difference when you're getting ready for work or headed out the door. Just keep in mind that to unlock its full 15W speed, you'll need a 20W or higher USB-C adapter, which isn't included in the box. Now, let's talk safety. One of the features that makes this Anker charger so impressive is its Active Shield 2.0 safety system. It's not just marketing fluff. This technology is designed to actively monitor charging temperatures over 8 million times a day. It adjusts in real time to make sure your phone stays cool, your battery stays healthy, and your charging remains efficient. This kind of protection isn't something you see in many chargers at this price point. Next up, convenience. The Zolo charger comes with a 5-foot built-in USB-C cable, giving you extra length to reach your desk, couch, or nightstand without the frustration of being tethered too close to a wall. That's a big deal if you're someone who likes to use your phone while it's charging, maybe scrolling social media or jumping on a quick FaceTime call. And it includes a cable tie, which helps keep everything tidy and travel ready. Speaking of portability, this charger is surprisingly compact. It's only about 1.5 by 4 by 5 inches and weighs just 210 grams, or 7.41 ounces. You can easily toss it in your backpack, purse, or even a jacket pocket. Whether you're traveling for work or just hopping between your home and office, it's a solid companion that won't weigh you down. So what exactly do you get in the box? You'll find 2 magnetic charging pads, a welcome guide to get you started, and Anker's 24-month warranty. That's a full 2 years of peace of mind, plus access to Anker's customer service if anything goes wrong. The build quality, charging speed, safety features, and portability of this charger make it a top pick, especially for Apple users who want a MagSafe-like experience without paying premium Apple prices. It's stylish, minimal, and designed with practicality in mind. To sum it all up, if you're looking for a reliable, fast, and safe wireless charging solution for your iPhone or AirPods, the Anker Zolo magnetic wireless charger is the best value in Anker's lineup right now. It brings premium features at a reasonable price, and that's exactly what we look for here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more in-depth reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.